The job of painting a house is 90% prep work and probably 10% painting. I got a sprayer I'm going to use, but you can see requires a lot of taping off or putting that wrap on there prior to getting the job done. So basically all this white and what you see there in the brown is going to get painted. But before I could do that, I had to tape off everything that could possibly get sprayed. And if you ever wondered what kind of tape is the best to use, well, I've got green frog tape and Scotch blue tape, and the blue tape is holding up really well on both paper and on the vinyl, but that frog tape is so easy releasing that it's releasing on the paper. Just a little too much for my liking. Favorite stuff to use is this tape and plastic together, and so the tape comes out on one end and then the plastic unfolds, and so basically I have two sheets here. One goes to right about here, and then I put tape on this side and the plastic overlap, and so all the brick is going to get covered. Same thing up high, the tape edge goes right there, and then the plastic comes out towards the gutter, and I taped it over the gutter. That's just to keep overspray from happening. And then this is a rubber seal that I have put tape on because I don't want that to get painted. Last but not least is I've got to go ahead and put some ground cover down. This paper, and you can use it to cover floors with, or to use it for just ground cover. And once I get that done, we'll break out the sprayer and transform the look of the house. Hey, if you're getting anything out of this, hit the like button. It really helps the video. Thanks a lot. What I have here is a Graco Magnum LTS15. This particular sprayer, as you can see, it's been around the block before. We've had this for about 10 years. The results of an airless sprayer are so much better than if you were using a brush or a roller, and it does it really fast. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you in the next video.